This is 350 Highway near 63rd Street in Kansas City, Missouri, and it has come to a standstill. This is southbound, and this is what it looks like, and it hasn't moved for at least an hour. The wind is blowing hard out of the east. Part of the road is starting to drift over. People are trying to clean off their windshield wipers when they can. They were busy out doing it. And it's going to be like this for a while, so if you are in this vicinity, avoid 350 southbound at all costs, because it is literally a parking lot and it's been like this for an hour. Michael Mahoney, KMBC 9 News.